Hey, good morning. It's Greg Dickerson with Ground Up, and today we're back on the Outer Banks, and we are setting a septic tank, and everything is sand down here, as you can see. And there's our hole, and everything here is about subsurface water tables, and that determines the depth that you can set these tanks and the cover of fill that you need over top of the drain field and the septic tanks. But this is how it's done. This is the guy that digs the hole. You can dig a hole really fast with that thing right there, but then they just crane this tank down into the hole. This is a gravity system here, so the septic falls out of the house into the tank. Tank separates solids and liquids. Liquids flows out to a drain field. So as you can see, there's the hole right there, and there'll be a diverter box, so that'll come out of the tank into a diverter box, which will go out into the drain field, which will be lines that'll be set once that truck's moved out in front of that. So anyways, that's excuse me, I got a little breakfast in my throat still, but that is how we do septic tanks down here, and this is what the Outer Banks looks like when you start digging up the soil. It's all sand, it's pretty sand, and this is how it happens. So anyways, I will see you on the next round of Ground Up. This is Greg Dickerson down on the Outer Banks. Make sure you like our Facebook page so you can keep up with these videos. Have a great day.